Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make one of the best rum cocktails for cold winter days. The classic Rum Toddy Cocktail. The classic Rum Toddy Cocktail is beautifully concocted with dark rum, honey, lemon juice and hot spices. I hope you will like this recipe. Let's make this cocktail in an old-fashioned glass. I will pour 1½ ounce of full-bodied dark rum. You can use any dark rum of your choice. The Rum Toddy cocktail is generally consumed during cold winter days, as it gives relief from cold, cough and flu. 1 ounce of lime mix. Lemon is a good source of antioxidants, and it also helps to prevent kidney stones. I will pour 1 ounce of honey. Honey is always good for health, as it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. I will take 4 peppercorns and 1 clove in a bar spoon, and slowly roast for a few seconds. This will help to extract the flavor of the spices, and create a heavenly aroma inside the glass. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. The same way I will take ginger juliennes, and roast for a few seconds, and drop into the glass. Roasted ginger is the best medicine for colds and coughs, and it also reduces inflammation caused by arthritis. Now I will top up the glass with hot water. I will be really happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Now I will put a cinnamon stick, and a fresh lemon slice in it. The Rum Toddy cocktail is ready for you. Cheers for your healthy life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. See you soon with another amazing recipe. Till then, keep watching.